Talkpal AI review. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will discuss about Talkpal AI, why you should actually try to use it, why you should actually just go ahead and try it for free first, and then maybe even upgrade later on in the future, and how it actually could help you learn a new language. So basically, let's just go ahead and get started with Talkpal AI and a simple introduction. Talkpal AI is pretty much a platform that does use artificial intelligence heavily to allow you to learn a new language. How so? It's not like most other platforms where they are just going to teach you some vocab and so on. That's obviously included, but then there's also the option to chat in a different language debate, and it's just going to feel more like having a discussion with a friend rather than some sort of formal teaching session. You know what I mean? So you'll be able to listen, write, speak, and all of those things are going to be included within Talkpal AI. So there are going to be plenty of languages that you can actually learn. Here you can actually see some of them: English, Spanish, French, Arabic, Dutch, and so much more here. You can also see 42 plus more languages that you can actually learn. So there's plenty for you to actually go through. So if you want to learn Spanish, you have the right place for it. If you want to learn even English, I mean, for some reason, you also have the ability to do so. And you can also search for more languages here as well. And you can just go ahead and get started. So first, let's just go ahead and talk about if we just go back to the homepage real quick, let's talk about the pricing point real quick, because that's also a very important factor to a lot of people. If we just go to the bottom of our page, we will see the pricing. So here they offer three different plans, or at least two different plans. There's the premium and also there's the basic plan. The basic plan, believe it or not, is actually for free, where you'll have basic chat and 10-minute daily limit. So you can think of it as a testing trial. So you can actually just go in and test out Talkpal AI real quick without having to dive deep with a subscription first. So here you have a lot, you get the basic chats feature with 10-minute daily limit. For the premium, you do get unlimited practice, roleplay, and mods, meaning chat with other people. You can roleplay so you can actually understand the language better. You have personalized learning, advanced voices, which is going to be working well for the listening part of things when it comes to learning a language. And there are going to be no ads like this one with the premium. So Talkpal AI does offer quite a lot of features here: immersive conversations, dive into captivating dialogues designed to optimize language retention and improve fluency. And there's a lot to it. Real-time feedback. You will receive immediate feedback whether you're doing great or not, and you can just go ahead and learn off of that. So it's going to be consistent with your learning. You will always have something to do with Talkpal AI, and it is going to be more personalized than ever, and there's going to be plenty to see here. So just go ahead and test it out for free. I believe the best way to actually judge whether Talkpal is going to be good for you or not is to actually jump in for free, which is great. And sometimes they do actually offer you a premium trial, so you can actually go ahead and test it out for free, the premium one. So you can actually go ahead and test whether it's going to be for you or not. This does come quite often, so don't worry about the time limit here. It does show up quite a lot. But go ahead and test it out for free. And if you truly think it is going to help you a lot, then I think a price point of, let's just go back to the price point. I didn't even mention the actual price of $11 or $12 a month. It's not really going to be something that should stop you, to be honest. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.